Hello, plant lovers! Today, let's get your Maranta Red Prayer plant thriving like a total superstar. First up, let's talk about lighting. Maranta Red Prayer plant grows best in bright, indirect light from a north-facing window or a few feet back from east or west. After that, it reacts quickly to the wrong conditions. Too little light makes the colors fade and stops the nightly prayer, while too much light leads to crisping and curling. Aim for 6 to 8 hours of gentle, indirect light, and use a soft grow light if your space is dim. Next, we've got watering. Maranta Red Prayer plant prefers consistently moist soil, never dry, never soggy. After that, it will show clear signs when watering is off. Dry soil causes drooping and curling, while overwatering leads to mushy stems and root rot. Water weekly in spring-summer and reduce to every 2 weeks in winter. Then, let's hit temperature and humidity. Warm and cozy is the vibe. 65–85 degree Fahrenheit with lots of humidity, 60 to 80%. Misting, pebble trays, or a humidifier all help. Keep it away from AC vents or heaters, or the leaves will dry and crisp fast. After that, we've got soil and fertilizer. Maranta Red Prayer plant does best in a well-draining mix of peat moss, perlite, and compost or vermiculite. After that, it grows strongest with diluted fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks in spring and summer. Avoid feeding in winter when growth naturally slows. Moving on to potting and repotting. Maranta Red Prayer plant prefers a pot just 1 to 2 inches wider with excellent drainage. After repotting, it may droop briefly, which is normal. Refresh the soil every 1–2 years during spring or summer to keep roots healthy. Next up, propagation time. The easiest method is stem cuttings. Choose a stem with at least 1 node, snip below the node, remove lower leaves, and pop it into water. Roots show in 2 to 4 weeks. Once they're 1 to 2 inches long, pot them up. Or root directly in soil with humidity. Both methods work beautifully. Now, a quick one on pruning. Maranta Red Prayer plant benefits from occasional trimming to stay full and vibrant. Once shaped, it will push out fresh, bushy growth, especially when leggy stems are cut just above a node. And finally, common problems. Maranta Red Prayer plant is generally resilient but can still face pests like spider mites, mealybugs, and scale. When stressed, it may also develop root rot or leaf spot. Quick cleaning, neem oil, and proper airflow help restore its health. Let your Maranta Red Prayer plant steal the spotlight. Now go make your plant shelf shine. Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to follow Succulents Box for more plant care tips. See you next time, and happy planting!
For more, you can find us at succulentsbox.com or on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest.